time for our favorite part of the show, the sing-along. Yes, it is that time where you get to sing a few of your favorite songs with our cast. So join us if you will and sing Let Me Call You Sweetheart.
Let me call you sweetheart, I'm in love with you. Let me hear you whisper that you love me too. Keep the love like glowing in your eyes so true. Let me call you sweetheart, I'm in love with you.
Not bad at all. But you know, a few of you weren't singing. So we're going to give you another chance. How about that old favorite, The Band Played On?
With the strawberry bun and the band played on. Life crossed the floor with the girl he adored and the band played on. Spring whistle loaded with nearly exploded. The poor girl would shake with alarm. He married the girl with the strawberry curls and the band played on.
That was great! Now it's time for the big finish. You can sing either Let Me Call You Sweetheart or The Band Played On. Mr. Conductor, take us home.
So long.